Okay, so if you're a crypto degenerate, most likely you have recently heard that Trump has announced that they will be throwing even more money into crypto, especially Bitcoin. And that's just something I want to talk about in this video and just kind of go through everything. And if you stick till the end of this video, I'm also going to discuss which coins are actually going to pump the most after Trump actually invests the amount of money he said he will, and how to actually catch these pumps before they start. So what does this actually mean for crypto? Is it good or bad? For those that are in crypto for a long time now, obviously know this is one of the best things that can happen to crypto investors. Obviously Trump is a really big supporter of crypto, and the last time threw money into Bitcoin and it recently grew to $100,000. Obviously we are expecting something really fucking big. Now, if we hop into CoinMarketCap to kind of analyze the Bitcoin chart, I think we could easily potentially see $130,000 Bitcoin. Like, it is completely on the table, especially now that it has pumped. Maybe we could be seeing a little bit of a dip and then a rise to 130,000. And one reason why I think that is because the last bull run, the same thing happened. So we had the first little pump over here, a little dip, and then a rise. So like a 2x. Maybe we can even see a $200,000 Bitcoin. That's like actually completely possible. And here it is. Trump confirms Bitcoin reserve plans, $15 trillion price boom predicted. Obviously, that is an insane amount of money. If we just look at crypto, the total market cap is 3.5 trillion. Now just imagine that. So now what's gonna happen next? I think Bitcoin will pump the most at the start. Obviously, alt season has barely even started. I think we could be seeing at least $130,000 Bitcoin, maybe even 200,000. That is completely possible. And then what's gonna follow after is what I'm going to show you in my whiteboard, because it's actually a bit complicated. So if we hop into my whiteboard, I already talked about this in my previous videos, but I just want to talk about it again. First, what's gonna happen is Bitcoin is going to pump. And after Bitcoin starts to consolidate, Ethereum will pump and altcoins alongside it. And once these start to kind of cool down, come the top 100 tokens or coins, then come the mid caps, and then the memes. These are kind of like the phases. So Bitcoin cools down, these pump, these cool down, these pump, these cool down, these pump. It is pretty easy to understand. Where are we actually going to see the most profits? Obviously memes, because it is the narrative, and the alts, because it's technology, and technology always fucking pumps. But I think these top 100s and mids are way too risky to invest in. Memes can actually be predicted pretty well, especially if you do some research with the community and who is actually behind the coin. And alts, as I said, technology always pumps. Which coins do I actually expect to pump the most? If we go with technology, my top ones are Say, currently sitting at $2 billion market cap. This will definitely pump. JTO, which is on the Solana ecosystem, and Sui, which Say is actually linked to it. It's the layer 1 blockchain project. I'm going to leave all of these project links in the description of this video so you guys can actually check them out by yourself. But as I said, Sui, JTO, and Say. If we go with memes, honestly, I think Whiff is going to pump the most, and Pepe as well. These are definitely going to be really good performing ones. Maybe even Dodge, but that can do like a 2x. I mean, the market cap is so big, it can hardly even do more. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to go over this. As I said, you guys can definitely be expecting a pretty big pump in the following weeks, maybe even days. Trump is recently showing like a lot of interest in crypto, and obviously confirmed the Bitcoin reserve plans for $15 trillion. So this is gonna be definitely really interesting. I actually can't wait to see what's gonna happen. We are still not in the alt season, and I cannot imagine what kind of profits we will be seeing once we actually come to the alt season. But one more thing I just want to go through is risk management. I know a lot of you guys will just be throwing money into a lot of these coins and nothing will happen. One thing I can say is just avoid these shit coins like the mid caps, as we talked about before, and mostly invest into technology and memes. And also remember to invest the amount you're willing to lose, because yeah. Okay, so that's it for me. I haven't been really active on YouTube lately because I've got a lot of shit going on with my projects. I'm gonna try and keep this as consistent as possible. But yeah, that's it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.